If you have a policy violation and believe we've made an error, you can appeal the policy decision. You can resolve most policy violations by submitting an appeal within your Google Ads account. This method works best if you'd like to submit multiple ads or assets within your Ads and Assets table for review. First, sign in to your Google Ads account and navigate to the Ads and Assets table. Find the disapproved ads you would like to have appealed and select the checkbox. Click Edit, then select the Appeal Policy Decision option. Under Reason for Appealing, select Dispute Decision or Made Changes to comply with policy, as well as the affected ads you would like to appeal. Then click Submit. We review most ads within 1 business day. Some reviews may take longer if an ad requires a more complex review.
For more information, go to the Google Ads Help Center.